Hi, may I take a moment to show you how to make a ninja face covering out of any old t-shirt? With no cutting, I take a shirt, put my head through the neck hole upside down. That is, I go in through the top. Let the bottom of the shirt come down and I put it over my nose. I grab the two ends behind my head, pulling one over the other, and then pull it over my head to secure the whole thing. Now I'm ready to either fly up to the rafters of the compound and take on the enemies, or to safely go out to the store and buy things that I need.